Yes, Assalamu alaikum students. This is topic differentiation and it is specially designed for college student class 12 or A-levels or GCSE further maths. So this is a question, this is a medium level question. That's mean you must have understood the basic level questions of this topic before understanding these medium higher level questions. So let's start it. Let me first write the question y equal to 3x 2x to the power 4 minus 5x over x to the power 2. Before actually finding the derivative, we need to simplify this fraction first. Let me simplify it. 3 when enters inside the bracket, and the algebraic knowledge which you are kept understanding since your uh, secondary classes. So 3 2 times 6 x to the power 1 and x to the power 4 becomes x to the power 5. We know that when the same bases are getting multiplied, their powers are added on a single base, and 3 gets multiplied with the 5 and it becomes 3 5 times 15 and x to the power 2. You must have a paper and pencil to note down today's lesson. If anything you don't understand, you can watch the video again. And x square is unaffected yet. It doesn't have any effect yet. We will solve it later on. Means in the very next step, it is going to be solved or simplify. This x square is beneath both of these. It could be written separately beneath both of these, like this x square minus 15x square divided by x square. This x square has been splitted into two parts, means first it came below it and then it became below it. It will become 6x to the power 3, but here x square and x square will be finished. Now we have this. Now we can easily find dy over dx. Let's find dy over dx. We know that how to find it since we are at the medium level questions. So in the starting or the beginning stage, you must have learned that the power come in the start and multiplies with the coefficient. So 3 6 time is 18 x to the power 2, and here there is no any x. When there is no any x, that's mean here is I'm going to solve it on the working side. Let's say this is working side. When there was no any x here, that's mean here it was x to the power 0, and we have learned in the beginning classes that x to the power 0 is 1. So there is no any issue if you write x to the power 0 here, because x to the power 0 is ultimately the 1 as I wrote here and removed. So 0 comes in the start and gets multiplied with the 15, and 15 becomes 0. 0 15 times 0, and x to the power 0, which was itself. For example, it was 0 minus 1, and x to the power 0 becomes x to the power minus 1, and 0 multiply everything is 0. That's mean here the answer of this thing turns into 0 at the end. That's mean we can write 0, or we even don't need to write anything, just limit till here. So this should be the answer. Okay student, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.